Hi, today I want to talk about categories in WordPress. Organizing your site into categories is crucial in order to avoid structural chaos. It is actually also mandatory that a post belongs to at least one category. By organizing your posts into categories, you are actually making it easier for your visitors to find relevant content. So for example, if a visitor reads one post, that post should belong to other relevant posts in the same category, and on that way allow the visitor to find even more content and stay even more on your blog, which in return might convert that visitor into a loyal fan. Besides allowing the visitors to find your content easier, you are also making it easier for the search engines to index your content. Next, I'm gonna show you an image that I have created specifically for this purpose, and where I am explaining how the categories should look like on your site. So the image you see on the screen now is basically a structure of a website or a blog. In this case, this is one of my affiliate sites. The niche of this site is TV brands. So I have Sony, Philips, Samsung, and other brands as well. Now the point is to illustrate how those brands fit into one category. For example, Sony is a brand and we can therefore create a category only for Sony. Under the Sony we can have different models which contain different features, such as TVs with LED, TVs with Wi-Fi, different inch size, smart TVs, etc. This is pretty straightforward. Now, once I have shown you this image, let me show you how to create categories as well. So if you go to posts and then click on categories. But before I do that, I just want to say that you can actually create categories directly in the post. And if you have following from the beginning in this course, you have probably realized that a long time ago. Anyway, let's click on categories. And just as I said, there are already two categories. The first one is uncategorized, which is the one created default by WordPress, and the second is soccer articles, which we created a few lectures ago when we played around with posts. So basically you can just type in a third category. I'm gonna name it to goalkeeper articles, and the slug is basically the URL friendly version of the name, just as you can read under this box. We can just name that to goalkeeper. We can leave this as it is. You can read also that categories, unlike tags, which we are going to discuss in next lecture, can have a hierarchy. You might have a jazz category, and under that have children categories for bebop and big band, total optional. This is just as I said a few minutes ago when I showed you the image of my TV affiliate site. Alright, so click on add category and the category is there. Now let's go to posts, click on all posts, and let's edit the post here. As you can see, this post already belongs to the uncategorized category, but we want it to belong to goalkeeper articles. So I'm gonna just select that one and unselect uncategorized, and here it is. Just as I said previously, you can actually create a category within the post you are publishing. You are doing this by clicking on the add new category and then typing in the name of the category. So in this case I'm gonna use goalkeeper articles 2 and just click on add new category. You will see that this category is automatically assigned to the post you are publishing. So I'm gonna just unselect the goalkeeper articles and save this post. So this is basically how you add and modify categories in WordPress. Next, I'm going to discuss tags and bring up the image that I shown you in the beginning of the lecture. And I'm going to discuss why you should use tags and how they are important for your website. So stay tuned.